What's going on, guys? We're back again today with a new pack opening. I already have the packs open over here. I was going to show you guys. We got the new Perfect Order. My girlfriend found them in Walmart for me today, so shout out to her. These are just different illustrations that were on the front. These are only 3 ones that I got. I don't know if there's any different right now. This is all that Walmart had. We got 10 packs to open for you guys. Not too sure what the chasers are. I think like Rosas. I'm sure Meowth is some sort of a small chaser. We'll get into it. We massacre packs around here, guys, when we try to open them. I should probably start cutting them before, but I don't want you guys to think that, like, if I do pull a loaded pack, that, like, I repacked it. There you guys go. Snorlax, Esper, Probopass, Cell Fossil, Diggersby. That's actually pretty cool art on that card. Barbacle, Hollow Staryu, have you guys been able to find any of the new Pokemon in the store? Around where I'm at, the Walmart here always seems to be out. And so when my girlfriend found some, I was like, you gotta grab at least 10 packs. I mean, I can just never find them. There's you guys' code. Come on, let's get a banger. Try to go a little bit faster since it's a lot of packs. Hollow Judge. Meowth EX full art. Look at that card. Nasty. We'll put him up here. We'll get him sleeved up after this. Yeah, I should probably start cutting into these cards, to be honest, because I cannot get them open. There we go. There's your code. Well, we got our first full art, a Meowth. Pretty nice. Be nice to get one of those chaser cards. Like I said, if you watched my previous videos, I just started back on Pokemon. Did it when I was younger. Lost a lot of the cards. Some of them were thrown away. Another EX. I really think, I'll see after we open all these packs, but I really think a lot of people are sleeping on this set. Because for it to be in my Walmart where I'm at, he got to be sleeping on it. Let me know what you guys think about this set. Like I said, I just started back collecting, so I'm trying to get them all. Here's your code. Got 2 full arts, not bad. Well, I guess Meowth isn't a... I don't know if he'd be a full art. I don't know. You guys let me know. Nothing really out of that pack. Guess it isn't a full art because he's not on the whole card. Guess the other one isn't. I guess it's just regular EXs. Sorry guys, I'm trying to learn what they are. Still nice cards though. There you guys go. It's pretty cool card art too. Nothing really much out of that pack. Come on, guys. Let's get me something to jump out my seat. Let's get that excitement. Let's get that rush to make me buy more. You guys know what I'm talking about. I was really trying to get some Ascended Heroes. A couple card shops around me would have them in stock, but by the time I could get off work, and then I live about an hour from them, and get up there, they would be gone. Bang. Another EX. That's definitely a full art. You guys can see that. It's a pretty nice card. Come on. We got 4 more packs, including this one. Let's try to get a chaser, man. I'm going to try to get an ETB tomorrow. From one of our local card shops down the road. Hopefully I can get there in time to get it before they sell out. Ghastly, Crushing Hammer, Sandlet, Scatterbug. Another EX, the Mega Starmie. That's a nice card. You guys can see that pretty good. It's a nice card. Come on, 3 more packs. Let's keep them rolling. And it's always nice to get these at retail. So if you don't really get too much, it doesn't hurt as bad. What do you guys think about the market pricing? I get it in a way, but I feel like they need to stop people, especially with the online drops from the bots, to just be able to just take it all. Because I got into a Walmart one last night, a queue. Started, they released the product at 9. I clicked on it like 9 and 2 seconds. It put me in a queue. I waited until almost 11 o'clock at night and it kicked me out because they sold out. It's crazy to me. There's your guys' code. Rose's Encouragement on the holo. A Mega Cleafable EX. It's a pretty cool card. A holo Gengar. Come on, guys. Last pack magic. And as always, the last pack does not want to open. Look at that. Let's see. There we go. Come on, guys. Let's get a banger. Scatterbug, Haunter, Snorlax holo, and nothing. Well, guys, if you would like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, I'm trying to get the ETB tomorrow. If Walmart has any more of these packs, I'll probably go and pick some more up too. Just don't tell my girlfriend. But if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and catch me on the next one. Recap. Pretty nice cards. I think this is being slept on, but see you guys next time.